How to insert a table in your MS Word document. If you want to insert tables in your MS Word, it's pretty simple and easy. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about inserting a table, from inserting a generic table to customizing it in any form or shape that you want. First, you have to locate the insert button on the top left corner beside your home page and click there, then click on table. A drop-up menu will appear where you have a list of options to insert any table that you want. Let's say we want to insert this number of tables. That's it. After clicking here, you have all your tables inserted. If you want to insert a table in a table, all you have to do is to make sure we insert the first table that we want to insert it into. For instance, I'm going to click on the insert button, and then after clicking here, I'm going to select 3 by 1. After inserting this here, I'm going to insert a tons of table inside it. So I'm going to come back to the insert page again, then I'll click on the table, then make sure I click on the number of tables that I want to insert. In this case, I'm going to insert 6 by 6. So I can do it to this one, then after that I'll proceed to do it to this one again by clicking on the insert button and then click on table and then insert the number of tables that I want to do. So this is a way of inserting a table in a table. Now for me to insert it in a customized way, it's pretty simple and easy. Let's say for instance you want to have a range of tables, then you want to have a title for it. So all I have to do is to come to the table and then continue to click on draw a table. After clicking on draw a table, I'm going to have this option to draw how I want the heading to look like in addition to the number of tables I want. So in this case, I'm going to click on this one. For instance, I'm going to click on first one, 1, then the down one, I'm going to make it this way. So I'll click on my this side, then I'll click on this angle and then click on 1. So let's say for instance I want to insert 3 different tables under this heading. So I'll click on this one again and then again and then put it there. That's it. With this you can have your table title there and then the number of tables that you want. If you also want to make it maybe 4 or 5, you can continue to click here again, then there again and then this one. So you can see on the top one we have 1, then 3, then 4. You can customize it in a way that you want to make it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.